Yikes. Okie dokie. More random trees down in the middle of the road here. Branches anyway. Okay. This is not looking good. Alright, I am not getting out on that street. Holy cow. Alright, I guess no handicap parking there today. Another big tree got taken down there. More tree stuff over here by the Clark Art. Apparently there was a tree down by one of the construction areas. Sorry, I keep getting behind the steering wheel here. I'm not really watching what the phone's doing. I'm mostly driving. Ooh, oh, that sounds expensive. I'm getting a bunch of, ooh, yikes. Yeah, that ain't good. Wow. Holy crap, man. Glad I wasn't in here when the wind picked up. It was a crazy storm for a couple seconds there. The winds were incredibly high. I was in the office. My wife called and asked me if I would come home. So I said, yeah, sure. I didn't realize how bad it was though, because I'm in a great big, gigantic building. I mean, I saw a lot of wind going on, but I didn't realize till I started listening to the scanner just how much wind damage there was in town here. Ow, 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 whatever that was really sounded expensive. These are the times when driving a sports car is really not great. It's always handy to have like a 4x4 truck. Every disaster film you ever see anybody in, they're always in that lifted truck. Charlton Heston, earthquake, that's what you need, that truck there. Something creative to get through here, I think. I gotta move something out of the way because I can't make this with my car. Wow, man. Disaster. Holy cow. Yeah. Okay. That is something. I think now I can get my car through. Alright, somebody just flashed their lights. So I'm going to assume we have another problem coming up. Not seeing anything yet. Maybe it's farther down the road. Nope, didn't see anything. Nothing light flashing worthy anyways. Maybe the guy was probably warning me about something farther down the road, not knowing I was turning in here. This looks surprisingly good so far. Alright. On the bright side, now that I'm back on my own dirt road, the gravel will probably carve the branches that are stuffed underneath my car out of here. So, there's a win everywhere if you look hard enough. Alright. That's new. Huh. Right side, when I backed up to take a look at it, that branch, let me zoom in, that branch right there, that little fella came out from underneath the car. So at least my, that much is done. Yikes. some of this stuff up. And I'm gonna have to move this one because there's no way I can get past this. Ugh. Sure, it doesn't look big, but I don't have that kind of clearance. Be gone, ye stick. Almost home. Yep, just picked up a replacement branch. And gotta dodge that little one there. And I gotta dodge that one. Dodge that one. You can hear the alarm, that's my seatbelt alarm. I'm not really worried about it because I'm on my own road. Good. All right, free and clear the rest of the way home. Rock on. Well, that's it for my storm story for today. See y'all later. Oh, wait a minute. The last few yards, I gotta stop again, I think. Yep, because I'm not gonna get past this one either. Almost made it home. But not quite. Alright, I just want to show how quickly that storm went sideways on us here. So I'm going to start the video. And then what ended up happening here is Mary saw that the wind was starting to pick up. And she knew the garage doors and everything were still open. She was working out there, so she walked out there to get all the garage shut down for the impending storm because she didn't want everything blowing around. You can see Ted came out of the dog door because Ted saw something that she didn't apparently. Now he's looking after Mom because he's like, let's go, let's go, let's go. Stop shutting stuff down. Let's get back inside the house, Mom, because stuff's about to hit the fan. So, I don't know what she's doing. Were you doing your nails in there? That's what I thought. So, you can see Ted beat his feet back to the house, and then boom. The storm hit just that fast. It was pretty incredible. There's some really intense winds that came down. That was something. And that's the flash that you can see. And you can see all those trees just bending right around. Doesn't look like anything snapped, but boy, not for lack of trying. It was definitely hitting. And then the hail hit. Good times. Glad I missed that.